Hey there. Can't find your card for a moment or want to prevent new purchases while you look? Freezing or locking your American Express card is an instant safety switch you control. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open your Amex mobile app or log into your online account. Navigate to the specific card's details. You'll see an option called Freeze Card or Lock Card. Tap it. Immediately, no new authorizations will be approved on that card. Recurring bills and Amex charges, like fees, will still go through. When you find your card, simply toggle the lock off, and it's ready to use again instantly. My crucial pro tip? Use this instead of reporting lost for a temporary scare. If you just misplace your card at home, freezing it is perfect. It stops fraud risk while you search. Only report it lost or stolen if you believe it's gone for good, as that triggers a card replacement with a new number. That's how you take proactive control of your card's security in seconds. Have you ever had to freeze or lock a card? What was the situation? Let me know in the comments. For more quick security tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.